Right into this world, all alone.
Free at last. Or not?
Okay.
Oh, that's so funny.
Now way to go,
Is that guy still an apprentice? Which of course is the wrong word, I know, but I can't remember what he was called.
The witness went missing. State attorney dismissed the case, but we can detain for up to 30 days in the hopes that the case gets reinstated. It didn't.
Oh, what a shame.
Sam Crow has sabotaged every major development effort that's come through Charming. Coercion and violence.
Easy to do in the local cops in your pocket.
What the hell? 3 new guys?
Things are gonna change. David, glad you could join us. Like you to meet Ethan Zobel, AJ Weston.
Don't expect me to remember your names, guys.
We'll need to know we've got the right support before we commit to Charming.
Support.
To protect our investment.
We're aware of your outlaw problem. Your brothers brought me up to speed on your struggle.
That guy next to you looks like an outlaw himself. He has tats all over his body. What's his name? Weston?
League of American Nationalists.
The League represents an influential group of businessmen who are tired of criminals undermining local enterprise.
Right.
You mean making the money you could make?
We are God-fearing patriots. And in a time when black radicals are in power in this country, we are desperately trying to remind our citizens of their founding beliefs.
It's all Obama's fault. I knew it. Thanks, Obama.
Kids would be so glad to see you.
I got some things to take care of. You mind picking them up from school, Ma?
Prospect! Now I remembered. I know it has nothing to do with the scene, but felt like I had to let you know.
Still real fussy with the feedings.
Could be the lactose. We can try soy base.
I don't want to turn him into a little vegan pussy.
He can drink it in his wife beater onesie.
Oh, Dr. Funny.
Unser is in bad shape. This guy should not be on the job. He's got another 2 months on his extension. After that, you gotta let him step down.
I'll do what I can to make that happen.
I doubt Clay will play along. It's like his only confederate inside this police department.
It's for my heart condition.
Miracle drug.
It's probably the only thing that keeps him alive.
I just pulled my 6-year-old out of T-ball because I found out they're giving trophies to every boy on every team for simply playing the game.
That ain't right.
Teaching children that everyone's equal is a dangerous philosophy.
Absolutely.
And if I were you, I'd button your shirt.
I got nothing to hide.
It's not about hiding. You haven't earned it.
Didn't I say something similar in season 1 at one point? Like he doesn't deserve that swastika? But you don't deserve that swastika, you son of a bitch. This entire situation must be so awkward for him.
Clay tried to kill my son. He slaughtered his wife by mistake. I'm depending on you to make that right, kid.
You gotta trust me, Piney. Me fixing things doesn't happen quick or easy.
Why haven't you shot him yet, actually? Wouldn't that be the easiest thing? Just wait for him one night?
We both know this is bullshit. The only reason I don't set fire to it is because I love Ope. Whoever you put this murder on, just make sure they deserve to die. Because the guy that killed Donna is out there sharing a beer with her husband.
Ooh, where did that come from? He just flat out told him that he knows it was him and Tig. What the hell? Couldn't you have done that before you started driving?
Yo, hop on this left.
Oh, I think that's going to hurt. Well, didn't look too bad.
How'd it go with Opie?
All good. We determined it was a Mayan problem. We're taking care of it.
Jax?
He's on board. It's like I told you.
Is that what you told me?
How about you tell her that he knows? I mean, what is he actually thinking, how this will go? This will not end with a Mayan scapegoat.
Tell me you pulled up behind her and unloaded an entire clip into the back of her head.
No,
I don't even know who you are, man.
This wasn't the Mayans, man. Not our shit, I swear.
Will they kill him?
You don't beef with San Crow?
He'll make it look like he tries to escape and then put him down.
What the hell are you doing, man? Let me... Ah! What's going on, man?
Running out of time.
Oh, no! Ah!
Guy broke loose, reached for my gun, had to blow him up, man.
Sorry,
I guess he couldn't kill him, so Opie would be able to do it.
Oh, shit, balls, shit. I'm so sorry. I was just putting this here.
Either join in or get out, Sparky.
Okay.
Dude, that was one hell of an offer.
Get out!
Think this moves him past it?
Opie? I don't know, man. He's working some shit out.
Opie, yes, but not Jax. And definitely not Opie's pa.
The hell is this?
Oh, Christ.
Garage is closed.
We're not here for car repairs. I understand you're a Camacho fan.
Just kill these clowns right away. Will spare you a lot of trouble.
Stop dealing arms to the 1-9ers and the Mayans.
Huh?
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Like I told you, clowns. Very funny clowns.
Hell of a suit. All your teeth. Must be the top of the Aryan food chain, huh?
You're a criminal and you're done selling guns to color. But are you gonna shoot me, Mr. Traeger? With all these witnesses?
Don't all these witnesses belong to the gang? Even the women?
So why don't you just climb back into your little German clown car and drive back to Nazi town? Because next time you piss all over my shoes,
See? Clowns!
it will kill you.
It's the theme of this episode. Too bad I already used clowns in the description of the Funtone episode.
Who the hell's that?
Ah, Brenda Darby's.
Future villain. Future corpse. Enough said. Yeah, Elvis is home. What the fuck? Why are you here? Don't look directly into the camera, little dude. This guy needs some acting lessons.
You on the pill? Just wondering. You got that look.
Aching, empty womb look. You think I'm using Jax to get knocked up?
No, Jesus, I hope not. You're gonna trap someone, make sure they've got money.
Where are you on this, Gemma?
Good question. Where's Wendy, by the way? She's still around?
You're too smart. Too neurotic to live in the vague. He needs to tell you everything. No truth, no pussy. You draw the line.
You're hoping that the truth will scare her away? Good to see that some things never change. She's still kissing everyone. But in the past, she's always done it when she tried to manipulate them, so... Dude, get away from his face. Didn't you see where that was a minute ago?
Help, please! Oh, God, help me, please! My baby swallowed something. He's choking. Please help me.
All right.
How about you drive to the hospital? Something is wrong here. Oh.
I helped Opie kill a man today. Retaliation for Donna. Shot him in the head.
That's one blank expression. What is this now? Was she taken by the new guys? The Nazi guys? The clowns?
You know what I can do to you? The fast, goddamn, shitty piece of shit!
That guy in the back is that Western guy, if that was his name. The little guy with the intense face.
Please. I need you to pass on a message to your old man. Tell him to stop selling guns to niggers and wetbacks.
You idiot. Whatever you paid for those masks, that was wasted money. But this is probably the best thing that could have happened from Clay's perspective. Because Jax will be quite furious now. And forget about all that OP business. For now.